friends, good morning. Today we are going to learn praises. First, you have questions. What is praises? So you understand here that a group of words that make a complete sense, that a group of sense but not complete sense, is called a praises. You learn in this chapter number first. You first time praise an group of word. Sentence and phrases. For the difference between sentence and phrases, so you understand here that a sentence means a group of words make a complete sense is called a sentence. Then a group of words it but not make a complete sense is called a phrase. Now you see the some examples here. Yes, he left us in the morning. My teacher wanted us to sing a song. Number third, Miss Singh was a lady with a generous nature. There are three sentences in here. You see, the colored word about the praise, they do not make a complete sense. So you understand here, friends. For examples, in the last hour, across the ocean, under the tree, to play hockey, baking cakes. This is the group of word, but it is not a complete sense. Hence, it was only group of word. In the last hour, same as that in the morning, to sing a song with a generous nature, it is we call praise. But you know that praise do not have a subject or a predicate or a finite verb in it. That always you remember in the morning, in this word, a group of word, in it not a subject, not a predicate means not a verb, and not a finite verb means non-finite verb. There are three things in not in a praise. Means a praise, you know understand here about the group of word do not make a complete sense, do not have a subject, and do not have a finite verb. But such group of word are called phrases. For examples, next example we take here. Rohan worked a lot in a last hour. Rohan worked a lot in the last hour. In this sentence, you say in the last hour is a phrase, but it has no any subject, no any complete the sense or not a finite verb. So friends, now in this chapters we learn here three phrase of phrases: adverb phrase, noun phrase, or adjective phrase. But you know how many kind of the phrases? So first you remember first noun phrase, verb phrase, adverb phrase, adjective phrase, prepositional phrase, appositive phrase, infinitive phrase, participle phrase, and gerund phrase. But in this chapter we are learn only that adverb phrase, noun phrase, and adjective phrase. The first adverb phrase. Adverb phrase. In the sentence 1 is given about the phrase in the morning tell us when. Adverb means that call that the time. A adverb phrase is a group of words that function as an adverb in the sentence. For example, you say here that in the morning means we tell us ask the questions which when it consists of adverb or other words as the preposition, noun, verb modify that make a group of work like a adverb in a sentence. An adverb is a function like an adverb to modify a verb. Adverb means add to the verb, but that group of words that are modified to the verb means description of the verb. An adjective या other adverb. In sentence number 2, the phrase to sing a song tell us what that teacher wanted. In it does the work of a noun and a noun phrase. Means the sentence work of that verb it is called adverb phrase, but the group of word. And that when we ask the question of what to sing a song in sentence number seconds, then we get that noun phrase. In the three in sentence 3, the phrase with a generous nature describe the noun generous nature, noun woman. So it does the work of an adjective. It is adjective phrase. There are three kinds. Now first, adverb phrase, a group of words that act as an adverb in the sentence called adverb phrase. It is very cold in winter. My mother is working in the kitchen. She behaved in rude manner. The three sentences show the time, place and manner. First sentence you see the time, winter season. Second, in the kitchen means indicate the place. And third, in a rude manner, that the rude manner indicate that manners. Look at the sentence here. She goes abroad annually. Annually is adverb. Annually is adverb. But the adverb we use in that adverb clause. So she goes abroad every year means adverb phrase. Means annually means every year. The both are same word, but that we use that annually, that the annually word is become adverb, and then we make a group of word every year, that adverb phrase. He works carefully. Carefully is manner, adverb of manner, and then he works with care means adverb phrase. She sitting there is the adverb of place. She is sitting at the place. At the place is adverb phrase. Now here some words you show study here. Adverb and adverb phrase. Here instead of we use that in this place, now instead of at this moment, briefly means in a short time. Number 4. Cleverly, in a clever manner. Everywhere means at every place. Hastily, in a hasty manner. Abruptly means in an abrupt manner. Early means at an early hour. Heartily means with all one's heart, and soon in a short while. Now you say that in exercise number 1, put the word given in the box under the correct heading. You distribute this to word classify that in two groups, adverb and adverb place. For examples, in town, already, on the top of the page, last Sunday, so to, almost, at the end of the pages, normally, this evening, in her office, and heavily. Do you say here that already, so to, almost, normally and heavily? There are adverbs. And in town on the top of the page, last Sunday at the end of the page, this evening in her office. The group of word is praises, adverb praises. Now friends, you say here that exercise number 2, filling each blanks with one of the adverb and adverb praise is given. For examples, 1, praise, I visited her last Sunday, and next Sunday, a last evening, a last morning. This word you use here. It rained heavily, but we are using this word. The rained heavily last night. He had already left when you called. Miss, we are using here that adverb. Ram signed her name at the end of the page. Yeah, it is too dark to go out. Friends, we learn here the exercise number 1 and 2, and I will send the exercise number 4 and 5 its answers. Now, adjective phrase. Now, adjective phrase. What is the adjective phrase? A phrase at that act as an adjective is called an adjective phrase. Means adjective means description of that adjective. An adjective phrase is a group of words that function like an adjective in the sentence. उसके function किसके होते हैं? Related to the adjective. It consists two adjective, modifier, and any word that modify the noun or a pronoun. An adjective is a function like the adjective to modify. For examples, a noun or a pronoun in the sentence. एग्जेटिव होते हैं वो नाउन और प्रोनाउन को मॉडिफाई करते हैं, और जो एग्जेटिव फ्रेज होता है वो एग्जेटिव को ही मॉडिफाई करता है. आर यू अंडरस्टैंड हियर? सेम टू दैट एडवर्ब, adverb clause, adverb and adverb clause. Adverb is a modified to that verb, and adverb phrase is modified to that adverb. So example number first, this bed is made of wood. Second, she was wearing a necklace made of pearls. The adjective phrase in the above two sentences could be written in adjective also. This is wooden bed. This is a wooden bed. Wooden, you know here that adjective. But you say made of wood, that word is this bed is made of wood, means here that adjective phrase, and here wooden is adjective. Wooden is indicate to that bed, and made of wood is also modify that wood. She was wearing a pearl necklace. Study how some adjective can be changed into adjective phrase. Now we learn here next example. The girl with brown hair is singing a song. For example, this sentence you understand. The girl with brown hair is singing a song. Miss girl with a brown hair means modify that word girl, brown hair, जिसके brown hair है वो singing a song, वो ही गीत गा रही है. इधर लिखा है adjective and adjective phrase. A kind man, a man full of kindness. A cruel animal, an animal of cruel nature. A gold necklace, a necklace made of gold. Generous man means a man of generosity. woolen dress, a dress made of wool, foreign goods made in foreign country. Now you say underline the adjective phrase in the sentence given below. Now exercise number 6 you say here, I underline line is here, you underline in your textbook. So and write in your notebook. He wore a robe of a red velvet and crown of gold. So friends, of red velvet is an adjective phrase and also of gold is both are that adjective phrase. In sentence number second, the dessert with of my mother is to own a Mercedes car. So friends, of my mother is adjective phrase. He belonged to a tribe of Africa. In this sentence, tribe of Africa. Sentence number 4, he comes from a village in the remote part of the Himalayas. So in the remote part of the Himalayas, that both are is adjective phrase. The hut on the top of the mountain is mine, means top of the mountain. This word is that adjective phrase. Now you skip the exercise number 4 and I will send the answer with exercise number. Next exercise. Now I will send the exercise number 8 and now we learn that 8 and 10. 9 is also you skip. Now noun phrase. A noun phrase is a group of words that does the work of noun. Noun phrase means the work of noun. A noun phrase consists of the noun and all its modify. It functions like a noun in a sentence. A noun phrase constitutes a noun as a head word and other words, usually modified and determined, which comes after and before noun. Where we use that, first you understand here, adjective noun phrase. Noun phrase is always used after and before noun. Noun के बाद और noun के पहले भी यूज कर सकते हैं. For examples, he wanted an apple. An apple is noun. He loves to perform on the stage. Going to movies is his hobby. To act with patience is not an easy task. So friends, you understand here in the first sentence, an apple is an object, verb, wanted. He wanted what? So you say an apple. In sentence number 2, to perform on the stage, answer the questions. Loves what? It is the object again, that to perform on the stage. Now in the sentence number 3, going to movies, in the subject of the verb is. In the sentence 4, to act with patience, it is again the subject of verb is. Means दोनों sentence number 3 and 4 you show the verb is both is and going to movies, to act with patience, both are used for noun, but is a group of word, so it is noun phrase. For example, all the kids were playing. In the all the kids, all the kids are used for now. Instead of noun means subject. So all the kids is a group of word, so it is called noun phrase. Noun phrase means noun plus modifiers. नाउन प्लस मॉडिफायर्स, इधर किड्स और उसका मॉडिफायर था ऑल द. सो एक्सरसाइज नंबर 11 यूज टू, बट यू रिमेंबर only noun and pronoun can be subject or object of verb. Thus, all the colored group of words are doing the words of a noun and here are hence the noun phrase. ये सारे जो ग्रुप ऑफ वर्ड थे वो क्या थे? प्रेज ऑफ नाउन थे, नाउन प्रेज थे. मीन्स अंडरलाइन द नाउन प्रेज in the sentence. So first you say here a switch in time the saves 9. So underline the word here, a switch time. Children prefer watching television doing homework. Watching television to doing homework, this word is noun phrase. To tell lies is bad and stop it. So to tell lies, friends, you remember am, is, are, was, were, any other word before a group of word, it is called noun phrase. So here you see in sentence number 3, sentence number 7, you say to tell lies is, and sentence number 7, daily swim is a group of word before you. And second, no, K-N-O-W, no. You say that no after any other group of word, it is called that noun phrase. Means after that, sometimes after that verb and they modify to that noun means subject, it is called a noun phrase. You said sentence number 4, I do not know about his future's program. So about his future programs. Number 5, do you realize your mistake now? So your mistake now is that noun phrase. Do you enjoy playing or watching cricket? So watching cricket is that noun phrase. A daily swim is a good exercise. A daily swim is that noun phrase. It is not an impossible noun for women to become a pilot. So for women to become a pilot is noun phrase. So I will send exercise number 13 and 12 is you skip. Now friends, you write here some exercise and some exercise I will send you. Thank you.